So there's two things that we're going to focus on to be able to improve performance, and that's concatenating all of our CSS files together. That is, taking all of the code that's in all of them and combining them into a single file. And we'll do the same thing for our JavaScript files. And doing that will reduce the number of calls that we make to the server. That means fewer round trips to the server. And ideally, that means keeping the number of batches of file downloads to a minimum. And the second thing that we're going to do is once we've concatenated everything, we're going to minify it. And minifying means something different for JavaScript than it does for CSS. Let's start by thinking through how we would approach this if we were going to do it manually. Ultimately, we're going to use the automator tool Grunt in order to do this for us. But like with many of the additional tools that we've added to our tool belt, it helps to be justified, since sometimes we can run into problems with the installation process, and it's also another thing to learn. So you may find yourself tempted to just let those go and not get them working, and go back to whatever the manual process is. But if we can think through the trouble spots of doing these things manually, I guarantee it will make you a lot more excited about automation.